Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide games on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now, to hide your games on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I've already logged into my account over here. Now, in order to proceed to hide your games on your Steam, you can do it from a bunch of ways. So we'll be trying out two ways to hide your games on your Steam account. One is to go to your library over here, guys. At the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is the library button available for us. Click on it and you will be on this interface where all of your games will be available for you, which you have downloaded on your Steam. Now, in order to proceed to hide your games on your Steam, at the left side you can see the panel where all of your games will be available over here. Right click on any of the games which you want to hide, and you can see the manage option available for us. And when we hover on the manage option, you can see the hide this game option available for us. One way is you can do this way, and another way is to go to the Steam over here. You can see the Steam button available for us at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the Steam button at the top left, and when this menu appears, click on the settings button over here, and this kind of interface will appear. And after landing on this interface, you can see the storage option available for us just below the downloads over here. Click on the storage button over here just below the downloads where I'm hovering, and you land on this interface where all of your games on your PC will be over here. Now, in order to hide the game, right click on the picture of the game which you want to hide over here. You can see, guys, on the picture, right click it, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see again the manage button is available for us and the hide this game. Click on it, and then that game will be hidden on your Steam account over here. You can see on the library that game has been hidden. And now, in order to see that hidden game, you can see the games option available for us. Click on the games, and to view that hidden game on the Steam, you can see the view option available for us again at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the view button at the top left corner of the screen, and when this appears, guys, you can see the hidden games option available for us. Click on it, and all of your hidden games will be available over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to hide games on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.